Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys how to make these amazing banana muffin. These muffins are extremely moist and easy to make. If you guys want to see how it's done, keep on watching, subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now here are the ingredients. You'll need 3 bananas, 1.5 cup all-purpose flour. You'll need butter, also some sugar, cinnamon. Also you'll need some baking soda with salt, with vanilla extract, and 2 eggs. All right, and let's get started. First thing first, we're going to peel the bananas, then we're going to mash them down. Now that you have all your bananas, we're going to take the fork and just mash them down. Once you're done mashing the bananas, this is what you have. We're going to set it aside and move on to the next step. In a separate bowl, I'll be adding my melted butter in, which is 1 stick of butter. Next, I'll be adding in 2 eggs, basically all of the wet ingredients. Next, I'm adding my vanilla extract. Next, we're going to take our whisk and just whisk everything together for about, I'll say 60 seconds. Do not overdo it, okay? Don't overdo it. Now it's the perfect time to add the mashed bananas. Give that a quick mix, just like that. Now we're going to set that aside. We're going to mix all of the dry ingredients together. I am using sugar, the baking powder with salt, and also I'm adding the cinnamon in there as well. You can add allspice if you have some, just to take the flavor to a whole nother level. I am going to give that a nice mix until everything is well combined together. Then we can pour it to the wet ingredients. Now we're going to add the flour in gradually. Now we're not going to stir it, okay? You're going to fold in the flour because you do not want to overmix it. Once you overmix your muffin, it's just not gonna be a muffin anymore, okay? You will definitely ruin it by literally over mixing it. So basically, I am just folding it in, all the air from the egg, so we don't just, over mix it. Once you're done, you are ready to bake these. Literally, this should take you about 5 minutes to mix everything together. It's such an easy recipe that if you have bananas, I guarantee you probably have all of the rest of the ingredients in your house right now. Make this, and trust me, you will love these. Of course, you can use walnuts or any type of nuts that you do like in your banana muffin, but I am using almond because I love almond. So I added a little bit of chopped almond on 6 of them. Then we're going to bake it on 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once they're done, oh my god, this is what they looks like. They look so good. And that concludes the recipe. Basically, you can add whatever toppings that you like. Coconut flake, chocolate chip. I added almonds because that's what I had in hand. and it tastes so good. Look how moist. Look at this beauty. It looks so good, and let me tell you, it's so good. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up for me. This recipe was a yay for me. Let me know if you want to try it. Subscribe if you know, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.